partial products method. Another way to call this would be the place value sections boxes. We have 34 times 65. So we have 34, 65. So what we're going to do is break that apart into a 30 and a 4, because that's what it's really worth. So we have 30 plus 4. We put this all around a box. I'll get to the box later on. And 60 plus 5, we put that on the side. 60 plus 5. Inside of the boxes, how we create them is we take this 30, we go straight down. We put this 30 in this box, and this 30 in this box. You put the 4 straight down in this box, and this box. The 60 going across is here, and here. And the 5 going across is here, and here. Really what we're doing with this problem is we took each piece to our multiplication problem and put it in different boxes. So we have 5 times 4, right there. This 5 times 30, right there. This 60 times 4, right there. And this 60 times 30, right there. Now, to do the individual boxes, whenever you have zeros that are the right of your number, so we have a number with only zeros to the right, a number with only zeros to the right, we can multiply the numbers that aren't zeros, 3 times 6, which is 18, and add those zeros. 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 times 6 is 24, add my 0. 3 times 5 is 15, add my 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, take all these products that we got in the boxes, the answers in the boxes, and I'll turn this paper sideways because it keeps us nice and neat with our place values. Here's our 1,800. Here's our 240. Here's our 150. And there's our 20. Ones with our ones, tens with our tens, hundreds with our hundreds, thousands with our thousands. First, all these zeros go 0. Nice and neat between the lines. 4 plus 5 plus 2 is 11. Bring my 1. Carry my 1. Again, nice and neat in the same lines. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Bring my 2. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2,210. So 34 times 65 is 2,210. Now let's do a problem together. I have 123 times 45. One extra digit, 3 digits times 2 digits, but the same exact process. So, break it apart. I have 100 plus 20 plus 3 gives us this number. So I'm going to go up here. I have 100 plus 20 plus 3. And the reason I kind of skewed these all to the right, because the bigger my number, the more room we need to the left. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. Then I have 45, so 40 plus 5. So again, 40 plus 5. And again, I skewed it down, my plus sign, because you're going to need more room up here. So wherever there's a plus sign, wherever there is a plus sign, it's connected to the bottom. And connected to the bottom. Over here is a plus sign, it's going to connect it across. I don't know how much support, it's going to be a little squiggly. And I made it. And now we can see I have the most room in this box. These boxes have quite a bit of room. These boxes have a little bit less room. This box has the least amount of room, because this is going to be the biggest problem. So we're going to have here 100. Let me get my hand out of the way. 100. And right here we're going to have 100 also. Right here we're going to have 20. And go down, we're going to have 20 again. Down here 3. And over here we're going to have 3. And then my 40 is going to go across. 3 times 40. 20 times 40. 100 times 40. And then right here, 5, take it across. 3 times 5. 20 times 5. And 100 times 5. And now, within each of those boxes, we're going to do the math. I have 1 times 4, which gives us 4. Then I have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 2 times 4 gives us 8. Then I have 2 zeros. 1, 2. 3 times 4 is 12 with 1 0. There's my 0. 1 times 5 is 5. And I got 2 zeros. 1, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And there's 1 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Now I'm going to take all of these products and line them up nice and neat on top of each other, starting with my 4,000. So 4,000. Keep them all nice, neat place values. 800. 500. 120. 100. And 15. I had 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we just add. Nice and neat. I got 5. All my 10s with my 10s, which gives me 3 here. 2 plus 1. All my hundreds with my hundreds. 8 plus 5 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Bring down my 5. Where's my paper sliding? Bring down my 5. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. My answer is 5,535. So I take that answer over here. Right in the boxes. 5,535. And we have now done the partial sums method. Another word to call it is the place value sections method. This is just a great visual for you if you're a kid who's listening of what's going on with each step. And for a parent, it's good for the kids to see each step. So again, we have 5 times 3 right there. 5 times 20 right there. 5 times 100 right there. 4 times 40 times 3 right there. 40 times 20 right there. And 40 times 100 right there. You're basically doing like the old school method, but you're breaking apart each step into what they're really worth, what the value is really worth. This is partial sums method. I hope this helps out. Good luck.